Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and now enter the settings, which are in this upper panel. Let's tap on it. Then enter languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll and find your language, or you can search it, so just by entering the name of it, and after finding it, just tap. Here we've got the keyboard layouts, and the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Here we've got the most important icon, which will appear after adding another language. So the globe icon, which will allow you to change the languages. Just tap on it, and here we've got the ordo, tap on it again, and we've got English. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely useful, especially in the situation when the layouts are similar between the languages. So now, in order to remove the language from the list, we have to enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.